Today we are at Park Plaza, Jodhpur. The room tour and suite room tour is in the end of this video. So watch the video till the end. So this is the entry to the reception. Next we'll take you to the sitting area or the lounge area of the hotel. These are the lift to your rooms. And this is Joffrey's, their pub. Next, this is the fire exit, where they have their restaurants and all, and a big open lawn, followed by a swimming pool and the gym.
So this is an open garden. There is this Italian restaurant by the name The Neems. This is the regular restaurant by the name of Oasis. You'll have your morning buffet here. And this is the open pool, swimming pool. Followed by the gym. And this is the Park Plaza suite room. You get this nice sofas. Followed by a bed. So this is the room tour of Park Plaza, Jodhpur. This is the outside view you get. This is the washroom.